Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the world of gel polish nail art, and trust me, the results are going to be breathtaking. Using just gel polish, we are creating a stunning 3D effect that's sure to turn heads. So, how do we do it? Let's jump right in. Start by applying as many gel polish color as you like. In this video, I have used around 7-8 different shades. Remember to cure each layer 30 seconds to ensure proper setting. Don't rush this step. Each polish needs its full 30 seconds under UV LED lamp. Once you have applied all your colors, don't forget to add a touch of glitter gel polish for that extra sparkle. Be sure to cover every inch of the nail surface with each gel polish. No area should be left untouched. After you have finished applying all the colors, it's time to remove any stickiness using acetone. Now it's time to add some depth and dimension to our nails using either a buffer or a drill machine. Carefully buff certain areas of the nail to reveal the intricate design and the layers of colors. In this video, I am opting for a buffer, but feel free to use whatever tool you are most comfortable with. As you buff, you will notice the unique pattern and colors of each gel polish coming to life, creating a stunning 3D effect. I have chosen to buff 4 areas to create 4 distinct nail art design, but you can adjust the number of buffed areas to suit your preference. Once you are satisfied with the design, it's time to seal it all in with a shiny top coat and cure it for under a UV LED light for 30 seconds. The result, a mesmerizing nail art masterpiece that's sure to impress. If you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more nail art inspiration and tutorials.